We were actually doing cloud computing long before anyone knew what it was, basically. I mean, we had a software as a service and a private cloud before those words were almost even used. And that's how we want to continue to deliver our service, because we're growing across all dimensions, basically. We have so much more than just accounting. One of the latest additions to our services is helping businesses with quotations and also starting a business from scratch. It was time for us to invest in a new infrastructure that could handle the requirements and our growth. We have servers with very high performance requirements, and we needed something that could cope with that. And we immediately observe when our customers are at the most busy, typically at the end of the month, and when they're closing the books for the year. We need something that can handle that. And this investment should also enable us to handle things more effectively. We wanted to automate things as much as possible, just like our developers are automating business flows for our customers. Migrating a couple of servers to the public cloud might not seem like a big task, and it won't cost you too much, but we have over 1,000 virtual machines, and add to that large volumes of data, high performance requirements, and moving a lot of data back and forth, and then the bill starts growing quickly. We concluded that the public cloud wasn't the lowest cost option for us. Regarding the public cloud, it's also a matter of wanting to stay in control and having control of where our data is located. And we get quite a few questions now in the likes of that. Where is your data located? Do you own your servers? Who can access my data as a customer? And a few years ago, those questions didn't appear as often, but we've definitely noticed an increase now. And we know that some people have definite misgivings about public cloud infrastructure, especially American ones. Proact solution met each one of our requirements, and they also asked us questions and expressed alternatives to our solution, which we really appreciated. And since we already had a relationship with Proact, we were confident with their ability to deliver and to support us. We have 3 data centers networked and connected to each other. And this means that we have full redundancy between the data centers, and we can load balance between them as well. And so if one data center should go down, end users will hardly even notice. And we can still deliver our response times and SLAs from the remaining data centers. We also opted for service management by Proact. This means that they handle operations, support services, and management for us. Security is very important to us and to our customers, obviously. And we handle this by only allowing a few select individuals at Fortnox to have access to change and do maintenance on our services. And even if Proact help us with management and support services, all data is encrypted, and Proact don't have access to any content on the service. We've come a long way with automation, and it's been a long time since we had to manually deploy a server. But with this new infrastructure, we really took the chance to redesign our automation from the ground up. So now we can deploy the entire infrastructure through code. This means that updates, patches becomes easier to manage, changes that we make becomes self-documenting, and troubleshooting becomes easier as well. And we wanted a partner that we could work closely with and who actually likes and wants to work in this way. And we found that in Proact. Our board of directors has set some goals for 2025, and one of the goals is that we should have 700,000 customers by then. This amounts to a doubling in a 5-year period. But we're well prepared for that with this new infrastructure. We can just scale it out and scale it up to meet those demands.